In today's video, you'll learn how to add a Facebook pixel to your website built with GoDaddy. This setup allows you to track visitor activity on your website and use that data to improve your advertising campaigns. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Sign into your account using your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard, where all your products and services are listed. Next, find the section called Websites and Marketing. This area shows all the websites connected to your GoDaddy account. Locate the website where you want to add the pixel. Next to that site, click the Manage button. This will open the management panel for that specific website. Inside the website dashboard, look for the option labeled Edit Website. Click it to open the Website Builder editor. This is where you can customize your site layout and settings. Once the editor loads, look for the Settings option, usually found in the side panel. Click on it to open the website configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, find the option related to Metapixel. This is where you'll connect your Facebook tracking pixel to the website. Now you'll need your pixel ID, which you can get from your Facebook advertising account inside the Events Manager. Copy the pixel ID and paste it into the field provided in your GoDaddy settings. Make sure the pixel ID is entered correctly so the tracking can work without issues. After adding the pixel ID, the final step is to publish your website. Click the Publish button to save the changes and activate the pixel on your site. Once your site is published, the pixel will start tracking visitor activity. This data can help you understand how users interact with your website, measure ad performance, and build better targeted advertising campaigns. And that's how you add a Facebook pixel to a GoDaddy website. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.